Hello everyone, this is the Fungang and today we are playing TDS again. Okay, and I'm already in the map, so we're gonna beat molten mode with only soldier and support, just like last videos with sniper. Okay, there we go. We're in crossroads. Oi. This is gonna be pretty hard because soldier isn't. We're gonna need to spam a lot more soldiers than snipers, because snipers do a lot of damage. Soldiers aren't really known for damage. Okay, let's just place a level 0 soldier. Okay. Come on, start already. This time I didn't spawn under the map, so that's good. Okay. This is having a badder start than the sniper. So yeah, it's gonna be much harder. Well, there goes that. Bye bye. Okay, let's now get a friend. That's it, you only get one low level friend. Okay. How am I getting this much money? I'm getting so much money. Okay, there you go. Okay, we're just farming. There you go. Okay, so that's it. Boom. All of my farms are level 2. Ba-ba-ba. One farm to level 3. 2 more soldiers. There goes the normal boss. It's dead. Just keep upgrading my farms. Boop, boop, boop. Let's just place the DJ booth right here. Okay, here's going to be our main defense. It's gonna have the DJ and everything else good. Blah 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 blah. Let's get a galactic commander. Okay, let's upgrade our farm. And I'm also using the Galactic Commander skin. Okay, so now I'm just gonna just keep spamming soldiers. Just need a few more hundred. There you go. Okay, let's hope for not that bad RNG. Let's get that. Okay, let's just keep placing. There you go, placed it. Okay, let's just get another max farm. Oh, we're in the molten stage. Skip the scoop. Boom. Okay. More soldiers. That's number one priority. Okay. We're doing pretty good. Oh, good RNG. Yep, good RNG. And there you go. All our farms are maxed. Let's get another DJ. Let's upgrade our DJ. Another slow boss. But no. Oh, stop, Commander. I'm trying to get a screenshot here. There you go. Let's get some more max soldiers. Okay, the hidden boss is dead. So the slow boss, it has like 2 health. Max DJ. Okay, let's get another commander because we need 3. Skip. Come on. There we go, that's a lot of money. Oh, we have sharks. We had sharks. Okay, let's just get a max commander. And more, and even more soldiers. Okay. Blah, 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 blah. Boom. There you go. Now we just need to make them all maxed. That's one. Okay. Let's just get another commander right here. Boop. Yep. Well, let's get them all to max. More soldiers. These are just useless. So yeah, just free money. Here is where everything. Skip. What the? How are they reaching all the way over there? What the? How are they reaching there? There goes the speedy boss. Okay, we have all of our support max. So now just more soldiers and until we hit max. Let's go. How many soldiers left? What the? We still haven't reached 40? What the? Oh, there you go, now I have reached 40. 1 maxed. 2 maxed. Okay. Oh, we have a bunch of speedy bosses. Should we skip? Yep, let's go. Okay, just need Next round, we're gonna get every single you have maxed. We're already on wave 33. There you go. Skip. One more. There you go. Now we have a lot of soldiers. If we sell our farms, we can get 8 more, which is a total of 36 soldiers, max soldiers, if we sell our farms. If we don't, we have 26. Well, why did I just skip? And then we should use a commander. One max commander can see this this entire square. Okay, there you go. We have how many mystery bosses are there? More speedies. And there goes the last species. That got dead. There's my money from my farms. Yeah, some of them have already lost damage. There you go. Oh, this thing is gonna be a pain. There you go, it's dead. Spawn whatever you want, you're dead. Wave 37! We're saving up money so we can just get a bunch of max when we sell our farms. Okay, there goes the speedy bosses. No, I'm not gonna skip. Oh, there's another mystery summoner. It's just so slow. Okay, bye bye, mystery summoner. Are we actually gonna beat the molten boss? I mean, this thing does a lot of damage even without even one coat of arms. This is a lot of max level soldiers, but still we just need 8 more. Oh, that's cool. What's this? It's a cloud of smoke. That actually has an animation. Okay, cool. Yeah, but I'm definitely not gonna skip the spam of a bunch of hidden bosses and a bunch of mystery bosses. You know, just one. Bye bye, slow boss. Bye bye, other slow boss. Bye bye, other one. Wave 39, baby. Okay, now they're just like a bunch of spam or moltens. There's the 4 molten titan, 5. Okay, there goes all the moltens easily. I'm definitely not gonna skip. There they come. Drrr. There they go. Then again, I can skip. There you go. There you go, molten boss. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if my math wasn't wrong, I cannot place. Okay, let's start. In 3, 2, 1. There we go. First commander. Everything got stunned. Well, not everything. And there's everything back. Another commander. We are just demolishing that molten boss. Another one. Now go back to you. Stop stunning. Another one. Now you go back to you. Another one. Now we go to you. Yep, I think it's a GG. Another one, then we go back to you. Stun tiny groups. Another one. Now I go back to you. And another one. Now I go back to you. And another one. Another one. There you go. Now I go back to you. Another one. Another one. Let me go back to you. You just keep spamming. No, will you just stop spamming? Oh my goodness. More commanders, go. Quickly. No! How much else? Stop lagging. Can't do this. We can do this. We can do this. Come on. No! Spammer. I hate him. It's technically a win if he just got better RNG and him not spamming stuff. We would have won. So that's the end of this episode. Hope you liked it. Like and subscribe. And as always, don't have a good day. Have a fun day. Goodbye. Subscribe.